What's up, everybody? It's Campin' Randy here, campinrandy.com, and we are at the headquarters of HRG Off-Road, and Ben needs the Passport. We're putting a 2.5-inch lift on this tomorrow, and we already have it up here today. He was like, we got to do it now. So there's the War Wagon. Where'd it go? There it is. I can't see. Sun's in my eyes. So, dude, this video is going to be sick. Get your lift kits, get your skid plates, everything. 2026 Passport TrailSports happening now. Where's the dude at? Ben!
I don't want to be in the back of the shot, but here we are.
Here he is. So yeah, we're going off tonight and tomorrow, doing all kinds of stuff. He's gonna make some MOLLE panels. I have some NOLO design stuff to test. Ditch light brackets, rear skid plate. And then we're gonna put this on the lift, which, look at this, he's got a lift. This is just
10,000 pound bin pack, baby.
I know. And I'm in a gravel driveway doing my stuff. So we're bringing you all kinds of cool stuff, dudes. Click in the descriptions, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And this is going to be a great video. Awesome. Get out of the shot.